eyes down for a row, then 2 rows, and finally a full house. Good luck. Our first number is 9090.
8. 1 and 8, number 18. 5 and 6, number 56. On its own, number